Hi friends, this is Richard. You are watching Technology for Future. In this video we will learn how we can earn money with YouTube. You can earn money with YouTube but need hard work. If you have all the information about the system of YouTube, then you have no problem. But you don't know the process, then you have the problems. In this course I will tell you how to earn money with YouTube, so without wasting time let's get started. YouTube, basic overview and steps. First, you need a YouTube channel. Search for a good YouTube channel name. Second, verify your YouTube channel. Third, create your Gmail account. Number 4, create your AdSens account using your Gmail account. Number 5, monetize your YouTube channel with AdSens account. So this is basis you need for YouTube earning. In the next video we discuss about YouTube views and earning.